Hello, is this Jadine's phone? Can you hear me? Jadine?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, we're gonna put you on mute again, and then I'll take you off whenever, if someone needs to talk. Are you the only one that's gonna appear today?
No, my sister is appearing with me. I'm waiting for her currently. She should be here in the next like 5-10 minutes.
She's waiting on her sister, who will be here in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, we were in different cities at the time and we're trying to meet in the middle ground.
I getcha.
Yeah.
So wait. Is it Monica Montes?
Yes, that's my sister.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So the diagnosis. Okay.
And we are streaming.
Okay, so they are ready to go.
Monica, can you hear me?
Okay, we got two, Judge, we got two in jail that aren't on the docket.
Okay, Monica,
So they're going to.
can you hear me?
Next.
You might text her, Jody, and just let her know what we're gonna do, and then if y'all want to say something later, you'll be given an opportunity, okay?
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cops, I think is one thing. I don't know.
You're apparently you're on. Dad didn't tell me, but he did, but it.
Are we waiting on someone?
No.
Ready?
Just me.
All right. And we'll need him over here. The court will now call case number 6611, the state of Texas versus Gina Carlos Larios to pause. Is the state ready to proceed? State's ready, Your Honor. And is the defense ready to proceed?
We're ready.
Mr. Hernandez, would you please raise your right hand and be sworn? Do you swear the interpretation you're about to provide for the court to be the truth, the whole truth, and the best of your ability?
Yes.
Sir, is your name Gina Carlos Larios to pause?
Su nombre es China Carlos Varios Paz. Yes.
Sir, you have been charged with intoxication manslaughter with a vehicle.
Se usted ha sido acusado de intoxicar en un homicidio comunitario.
That is a second-degree felony.
Es una felonía de segundo grado.
That's punishable by imprisonment in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for a term not to exceed 20 years or less than 2 years.
El alcance de castigo de este delito es un tiempo en la cárcel, un tiempo en la prisión de no más de 20 años y no menos de 2 años.
In addition, the court can order you to pay a fine not to exceed $10,000.
Yo después puede haber una multa que sea de 100.
Sir, you've been charged with this by a document called an indictment.
Usted ha sido acusado por una acusación formal.
Do you want that indictment read to you, or do you waive the reading of that?
El que se vea la acusación usted le entiende. I understand that.
Sir, are you a U.S. citizen?
¿Eres ciudadano de los Estados Unidos? No.
Do you understand if you plead guilty to this charge that you can be deported?
Si tienes una declaración de culpable, puedes resultar de deportación. Yes.
Do you understand that if you're not deported, a guilty plea can keep you from becoming a citizen?
Tienes una declaración de culpable, puede resultar de rechazo de la organización. Yes.
In that case, I'll ask you, do you plead to the charge guilty or not
En
guilty?
este caso, ¿cómo te declaras culpable o no culpable? And
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty and for no other
te
reason?
declaras culpable porque eres culpable y por no otro sangre.
Has anyone threatened you in any way to get you to make this plea?
Alguien te amenazó para que te declararas culpable. No.
Sir, I have in front of me this document called a felony plea of guilty waiver stipulation and judicial
Tengo
conviction.
delante de mí este documento, que es una felonía, declaración de culpable, estipulación de renuncias en la acción judicial.
Have you gone over this document with your attorney?
Este documento lo repasamos ahorita con la doctora. Yes,
So you know that in this document, you tell me that you plead guilty,
este documento tú me dices que es culpable.
you waive certain rights you have, like the right to trial by
Que
jury.
renuncias a los derechos que tienes como derecho de una audiencia con jurado.
And you agree that all the evidence the state has against you is true.
¿Estás de acuerdo con todas las evidencias que el Estado tiene contra ti? Son verdaderas? Yes,
Is that your signature on this document?
yes.
By signing this, are you telling me that you understand this document?
Si mandas esto, me estás diciendo que tú entiendes este documento. Yes,
And do you understand the consequences of pleading guilty
y
today?
sabes las consecuencias de tu declaración de culpable aquí. Yes,
Mr. Sally, have you consulted with your client and advised him? You believe him to be mentally competent? Do you approve of him signing these stipulations before the court? Does the state concur?
State concurs.
Mr. Flores Topaz, I will accept these stipulations
señor, voy a aceptar estas estipulaciones.
and I will enter them into the court's record as the state's exhibit number 1.
Estoy sentadas en los archivos de la corte como archivo del Estado número 1.
Ms. Anchondo, is there a plea agreement in this case?
There is, Your Honor, in exchange for the defendant's plea of guilty,
En cambio, de declaración de culpable,
the state has agreed to recommend to the court.
el Estado está de acuerdo a recomendarle a todos.
The court assessed punishment at confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division for a period of 15 years.
Después de una sentencia que te sentencia el Departamento de Correcciones por un tiempo de 15 años,
No fine be assessed.
si no queremos ¿no?
Any court costs or reimbursement fees as reflected in the bill of costs.
el costo de corte y las facturas de gastos como se refleja en la emisión.
The defendant is entitled to 155 days time credit previously served.
155 días de crédito por el tiempo que has estado encarcelado.
Mr. Larios Topaz, you prefer the district attorney announce he is
Son largos pasos. Has escuchado el anuncio que dio el abogado del Estado.
Is this the agreement you
Ese
reached?
es el acuerdo que usted hizo. Yes.
You agree, Mr. Sally? Sir, I will follow the recommendation of the district attorney.
Voy a seguir la recomendación del abogado del Estado.
I will find you guilty of this offense,
Voy a dar culpable de esto.
and I hereby sentence you to 15 years imprisonment
El sentencio 15 años en la prisión.
in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice
El Departamento de Justicia Criminal.
Institution.
En la división institucional.
I am not going to order that you pay a fine,
No te voy a ordenar de que pagues multas.
but I do order you to pay $60 in
Les
restitution.
voy a pedir que pagues $60 en restitución.
I will note that you have 155 days jail time
Voy a
credit
pensar que tienes 155 días de crédito por el tiempo en la cárcel
for this sentence.
a esta sentencia.
Do you have any questions?
¿Me preguntas? No,
Sir, I'm going to sign this judgment.
voy a firmar este juicio.
I need your fingerprint.
Voy a citar tu huella digital.
But before I get your fingerprint, I understand that there is a statement by the victim.
Antes de agarrar tu huella digital, creo que hay algo que la familia quiere decir.
There are, Judge, the deceased has two daughters that like to make victim impact statements.
All right, sir, before the court reporter leaves, I want to ask you, have you been satisfied with your representations on this?
Discretion con la representación de tu abogado, señor Sally. Yes,
Has he done everything you asked?
hizo todo lo que pidió usted. Y él hizo todo lo que usted le pidió que hiciera. Yes.
All right.
JD, Monica.
Yes, ma'am. It's just me as of right now.
Okay.
Yeah. I think she's getting off the highway still. We had a meet in a different city.
Okay. She's, the other sister is not here yet.
I can join. I'm here.
Oh, you're here. Okay, you're there.
Okay, so. Okay, whoever would like to go first, JD, do you want to go first?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Oof, sorry, this is harder than I thought. I've been kind of going around this with my mind for a while on how I wanted to talk to him. Knowing his age, knowing that it wasn't intentional, makes it a little bit harder for me to be angry at him. I know how life is, and I pray and I hope that he gets the help and the love that he is searching for in the process of this situation that he is in. Granted, it does not take away the fact that somebody very close to us was taken from us at such a young age. So I pray that he can find it within himself to forgive himself and not make the same mistake again.
Thank you.
Because he not only took my mother from me, but he took my grandparents' only child and my son's grandmother. So I pray that you can find forgiveness within you. And when you do get your freedom back, that you do not make that same mistake and you do better with your life and with your choices. Something.
Thank you, JD. Is that all you have?
Yes, and my sister doesn't want to talk.
I'm sorry?
Monica doesn't want to say anything.
Okay, that's certainly her right to do that. Okay, thank you very much.
He wants you to forgive him.
I'm not angry at him.
No estoy enojado contigo. Dile algo. No.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay.
You may be excused from the court appearance.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, JD.
Thank you.
So are we, is Tim meeting with someone to get paperwork, or do we need to brought up? Wait, no, somebody get brought up.
You mind also?
Yeah, no, no, no. Oh, the meeting. Okay. And then.
Yes. Yeah, well, we got you coming up. Don't think for the, before I say yes.
Oh, yeah. You're the ones that are coming out.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure about it.
No,
No, I don't think so, but I don't want to say. shoot.
okay. No, was there you have of course. I thought it was in English.
It is. That's what I said.
Dos. And what's the other one? It's okay, it's okay. He'll come.
Hey, Terry, what was the other?
I'll find out when he comes up.
Fuller, I think. Fuller and cost.
Solar.
Cost.
Solar.